Now this is a mug fit for a king. Hey everyone, Pat's Cosplay here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the medal from Disney's Hercules. Okay, to start off, you're going to want to be using 6mm craft foam. I got mine from Toronto's own supplier, aka the Mirrored Makers. I'll leave a link down below if you happen to be within the GTA area. So using the template that I provided, you want to pin it down, get it onto the 6mm foam. Then again, you want to cut out that same template and use it just for the top half. Using it for the top half will make it so that it'll have a nice indent in the design. So next, the reason I have it gold already is because I tried to use Mod Podge. I saw that it didn't work that well. So for this, you're going to want to use about 3 to 4 coats of the gold paint from the dollar store. I found that it does streak a little bit since it is a metallic paint. You can go ahead and spray it instead if you want more of a clean look to it, but I was quite satisfied with it. It's only going to be used as a small prop in one of my costumes. Wasn't a huge deal for it to look absolutely amazing. To give it a little bit more accents and just kind of bring out the design of the medal, I use black paint just to get into the corners and make it really pop and just look really like rigid. I wanted Hercules to have been through a couple fights, and I thought that this gave it like the perfect look. I'm using markers just to get the top part of the half. I didn't want to chance it by ruining the paint job with some black paint, and this was just an easy way to do it. And there you have it, your own Disney Hercules medal. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, leave this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Until then, see you guys next time. Bless my soul, Herc was on a roll.